So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Airport rides for Lyft, guys. New video topic, let's go.
Yeah, so Lyft has a new feature to make airport pickups faster. Guys, this is a game changer, especially for big cities. So it's in Los Angeles, Chicago, and they're gonna expand to other major airport hubs.
Keep going.
Okay, so they're rolling out a new feature ahead of the bustling summer travel season to reduce the time riders wait for a car at the airport. Both Uber and Lyft have been launching new products to expand their services in recent months. And this is basically an airport pre-order feature at some of the biggest travel hubs across the country, starting this Thursday, starting today. This is
Oh,
today.
wow.
Riders,
Today, guys, breaking news, May 11th.
Yeah, riders at LAX and the Chicago O'Hare International and Midway International airports will be able to pre-order a ride upon landing. The app will track the rider as they walk through the airport and then match them with a driver as they get close to the pickup spot. The app takes into account the wait times through the airport, including baggage claim. The goal is to have the driver arrive as the passenger gets to the pickup area or shortly after. This is soon going to come to Austin, New York, and Seattle. That's pretty cool because there's I've taken an Uber from LAX a bunch of times and it is kind of annoying waiting.
Yeah.
Because it's so busy.
So basically a pre-order option?
Yeah, but it tracks your location, so it follows you around the airport and matches you with a driver.
Yeah, that's so good.
Where you're gonna meet up at the pickup spot at the same time.
Yeah, and I don't never order the Uber until I land.
Until you get to the pickup spot?
As I'm leaving, I'm ordering it, and then I gotta I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not that bad, but because there are pickup areas now. But okay, more so when you're at a new airport. You don't know the area.
Yeah.
You're just kind of looking around for the pickup areas, and it's it can be confusing.
Yeah.
And a lot of times that means drivers are waiting so long, or they'll end up canceling. I've had a lot of times where I'm they canceled on me because I'm in the wrong pickup area.
Oh.
Sometimes if you ever have gone to Chicago or Atlanta, these airports are huge.
Yeah.
They're massive.